How to log out ShopPay account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from your ShopPay account. ShopPay is an accelerated checkout system offered by Shopify. It helps to make online shopping faster and more convenient. Now to get started, first of all you need to open your ShopPay application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. In this homepage, you will be able to see your profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on your profile icon and this will take you to your account page. In this page, here you will be able to see the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon next to support and here you will reach to the settings page. Under the settings page, you will be able to see sign out option at the very bottom. This is similar to log out. Simply tap on the sign out option and it says that once you sign out from your account, to log into your account, you will need to enter your email address to access all the information related to your account. Go ahead and tap on sign out and then you will be successfully signed out or log out from your ShopPay account. So by following these steps, you should be able to sign out from ShopPay account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.